Hello, my name is Kit.
And my name is Kasma Abu Majestino. We are from 4 and we will show you our project that have assigned to us, that web server security implementation with demilitarized zone using infrastructure as code in Vagrant.
Let's talk about what is demilitarized zone, or usually called DMZ. As you can see in the picture, so the point of DMZ is to separate internal or company network from public or external network such as internet. For example, if a company has a web service to sell their products and it needs to be accessed from external, which is the internet, DMZ can separate this network or the service to a separate region. That's mean for public, it cannot directly access to internal network. Let's jump to the topology scenario.
As you can see, we have a 3 virtual machine to simulate our scenario. So the first is the firewall virtual machine that acts as a router and also a firewall. And the second one is the DMZ server to host the web server. And the last one is for the internal network. So the goal for our project is based on this scenario. Let's say this company hosts a website to sell their product, which means the website is for public. Instead of hosting the web on internal network, which can cause security risks if the web got hacked, we need to isolate the web to different network and infrastructure. That's where DMZ comes to play. We are going to access DMZ from the outside network or internet, from the internal network, also from the firewall itself. Let's do the implementation using Vagrant.
To implement the scenario, we will use method called infrastructure as code. This ensures mobility, efficiency, scalability, and consistency. For all the virtual machine settings, we use Ubuntu operating system as the main OS, and the memory will be allocated for 1 GB, as you can see in the picture in here. And then for the firewall VM, we set 3 network interface, one for DMZ interface gateway, one for internal interface gateway, and then the last one is for internet itself. We mask the network and the DMZ and the internal to the internet. And in this picture is the main route settings for the DMZ web server. Any incoming traffic to the web app from the internet will be redirected by the firewall. It ensures no public network can access to the internal network. And for the DMZ, we use the DMZ gateway IP from the firewall as the DMZ default gateway.
To simulate this project, I need to access DMZ from the external network, then from the internal, also from the firewall. By using curl command, I was able to access the DMZ from the old network. And also, I could access the site from my host browser to the DMZ. So, the conclusion is the DMZ server as the extra protection layer for the internal network. So if you want to learn more about this project, you can visit this link above. And this is it. This is the end of our project. So my name is Kasal Majestino.
And I am Gerald Sultan Demas.
See you
again.